Temperatures are reaching their peak here in the early afternoon already. We're seeing those highs getting into the lower 40s. Yes, we're reaching our afternoon highs here by about the 2 o'clock hour at the very least. It's still 39 in Thurmont, but 43 now in Frederick, 41 in Hagerstown, Charlestown, and Martinsburg, and a few more 30s back into western Maryland and West Virginia. But winds are also reaching their peak as well, up to about 15 to 25 miles an hour as we go through the early afternoon before calming down a little bit this evening. And we will carry a wind chill factor through the rest of the day, at least until we get toward the overnights. And it's going to be feeling more like the 20s over the mountains and 30s back to the east as we continue along here. So still feeling about 5 to 10 degrees colder than it actually is, thanks to those slightly breezy conditions. The one good thing here is that all that dry air being brought in by those northwest winds has really cleared things out. The only exception is back over the Laurel Highlands and areas in Garrett County. The mountain area is still holding on to a fairly overcast sky, but the rest of us are enjoying a lot more sunshine through the day today. So yes, we keep that wind chill factor around this afternoon. Like I mentioned, more clouds are on the way as we go into Wednesday. A disturbance passes by to our north. I'll have a few flurries with it, likely to get into southern PA, but outside of that, not a lot of impact from that system. And then the rest of the week is quiet. Our next chance of precipitation is not going to be until we get into Saturday of this coming weekend. We'll finally have some rain showers in play. So here we go. Again, winds are going to be breezy the rest of this afternoon, upwards of 25 miles an hour as we roll along. Those start to calm down as we head into the overnight tonight. Still going to see some wind gusts upwards of 20 to 25 miles an hour tomorrow, just with the passing of that weak disturbance, but not nearly going to be as breezy as consistently either as we go throughout your Wednesday. And then with high pressure starting to move in ever so gradually as we roll into Thursday, we'll really have some calm conditions by that point. And check this out. Again, we saw that latest disturbance pass by to our south, and there still is a little bit of moisture out there right off the Atlantic coastline. This is pushing out to sea even further here. And looking back to the west, look at all of this dry air that is in place as you go all the way back to the Rocky Mountains. That is going to transition our direction here over the next few days, and that's why things are set to be pretty quiet all the way until the weekend. We won't see any impacts until this bit of moisture up in the Pacific Northwest finally makes its way down and across the country, leading to that next storm system throwing some rain showers our way Saturday and Sunday. And there's a look at that. We do warm up Thursday and Friday into the 50s. We hold there too with that system passing by, which is why we're only going to see some rain showers. No wintry weather this time around with this system. But then as we go into early next week, we'll take a dive back down into those cooler temperatures next Monday.